and welcome to E-Classroom of English of Sacred Heart School, Bulandshahr. And our today's topic is legends in sports. Yes, again your instructor Harpreet Kaur is here with you to start with this literature topic. So let's get started and understand this chapter, legends in sports. So first of all, we must know what are legends. Legends are the great personalities, memorable personalities which we never forget. So let's get started and read this passage about three great Indian sportspersons. Ritu and brother Nitin were sitting quietly beside their aunt Anika. Aunt Anika was the table tennis player and the sportsperson in their family. The children enjoyed listening to her experiences and anecdotes about sports personality. So as you came to know that Ritu and her brother Nitin, they were just sitting very quietly. किसके साथ बैठे थे? With Aunt Anika, and Aunt Anika was a table tennis player. ठीक है, and she belongs to a sports person background family. And they were both the children, that is Ritu and her brother Nitin, they were listening stories and experiences of the sports personality. उनकी कहानियाँ सुन रहे थे अपनी aunt Anika से बैठ के. And that day, what did Anika decided? That she will be telling the story about three great personalities who had brought very fame to our country. And who were the three personalities? Yes, they are Major Dhyan Chand, who was famous for hockey, Mary Kom, who was famous for boxing, and PV Sindhu, the graceful badminton player. So in this chapter, we are going to read about these three great Indian sports person. So, Ritu admired PV Sindhu and Nitin thought that Mary Kom was wonderful. As you know, सबकी अपनी choice होती है. So, Ritu was liking PV Sindhu and Nitin was liking Mary Kom. When their aunt asked them about whether they knew about Dhyan Chand, the children said that they didn't. So, when then aunt asked if उन्हें ध्यानचंद जी के बारे में कुछ पता है, but children said no, they don't know anything about Dhyanchand. So Aunt Anika started telling about Dhyanchand ji. So he was born on 29th August 1905 to an army man Sameshwar Dutt Singh and his wife Shraddha Singh. So what was the name of the father? Sameshwar Dutt Singh, and wife Shraddha Singh, and they belonged to army family. They were army men. And Dhyan Chand also joined that army. He only was just 16 years old. So he used to play informal hockey matches in the army and would practice at night. He from his childhood only, he was very much liking the game of hockey. So वो हमेशा ही informal games खेला करते थे. Hockey के कई matches खेलते थे army में. But why at night? What do you think, students? Why he was playing at night? Yes, यही inquiry रितु और नितिन ने भी की. So, what was the reply? Because he was working during the day. During day hours, he used to work. He used to support his family. अपनी family को support करने के लिए work करते थे. Hence, he used to wait for the moon to come. रात का आने का wait करते थे so that he can play and practice during the night hours for the hockey. So this is how his name changed to Dhyanchand. इसी तरह से उनका नाम ध्यानचंद पड़ा था. What an apt name, said Ritu. रितु ने कहा ये तो बिल्कुल परफेक्ट नेम है क्योंकि वो पूरा ध्यान लगाकर हर काम में करते थे. दिन में he was doing his duty of army man, and at night he was practicing for the hockey matches. Dhyan Chand played many tournaments between 1922 and 1926. कई tournaments खेले थे उन्होंने army के between these years 1922 and 26, and he was also selected for the Indian team. कौन सी team थी? Amsterdam Summer Olympics of 1928, जिसमें India has beat Netherlands. India got win over Netherlands 3-0 in the final game of hockey, and in three goals में से 2 goals were given by Dhyan Chand ji. So both the children Ritu and Nitin, they were very much exclaimed and very much excited and said, wow, great man. And even I just want to tell you, and said that he was famously called as Wizard of Hockey, the King of Hockey. And also there were some stories regarding his life that some authorities used to say, but कुछ major authorities थी जो उनके बारे में कहती थी that he has some magnet in his hockey stick. Why? Because he always used to go and win with that hockey stick. तो एक बार उनकी hockey stick को तोड़कर भी check किया गया था. Is there any magnet inside? Whether Why he always win all the games? Did hockey team win any gold medal? Asked Ritu. अब रितु का ये क्वेश्चन था कि हमारी इंडियन टीम ने क्या कोई गोल्ड मेडल जीता था? So yes, of course, why not? India won the gold medal in Los Angeles Summer Olympics in 1932, and with Dhyan Chand as the captain, our country won the gold medal in 1936 Berlin Olympics, said Aunt Anika. Both the gold medals were of India. Now he was very amazingly shocked after listening that, and even Ritu was amazed. We have such a glorious past. इतना अच्छा past था हमारा Indian sports का. Yes, Anika replied. The government honored him with Padma Bhushan in 1956. So in which year he got the award of Padma Bhushan? Yes, in 1956. And every year on his birthday, that is 29th August, what we celebrate? Yes, National Sports Day. And in which year he died? In 1979. Concluding about Dhyan Chand's story. Now, are you going to tell us about Mary Kom now? Nitin asked, edging closer to his aunt. Now coming more closer to the aunt, Nitin asked, now will you tell us about Mary Kom? Yes, she was ready now to tell about Mary Kom. So let us know. He was the queen of boxing and also lovingly सब उसे क्या बुलाते थे? Magnificent Mary. And she was very much interested in sports during the school time. Instead of studies, she used to play different kinds of sports. Whenever उनको जब भी opportunity मिलती थी, she used to participate in all kinds of sports like volleyball, football, athletes. But she was not interested in studies. Now Nitin grinned. No wonder he thought the world of her. Grin means smiled. So he just smilingly said that she must have not thought that पूरी दुनिया उनकी होगी. Yes. Mary said aunt was inspired by the Manipuri boxer Dinko Singh, who won the gold medal at the Bangkok Asian Games in 1998. So who was the inspirer of Mary Kom? Yes, the Manipuri boxer Dinko Singh, जिन्होंने गोल्ड मेडल भी जीता था बैंकॉक एशियन गेम्स 1998 में. And after that she started training under M. Narjeet Singh, who was the Manipur state boxing coach at Imphal. एंड इनिशियली उन्होंने अपने पेरेंट्स को नहीं बताया. इनिशियली मीन्स स्टार्टिंग में शी डिडंट टोल्ड हर पेरेंट्स अबाउट दिस ट्रेनिंग ऑफ बॉक्सिंग बिकॉज शी बिलीव दैट इफ़ हर पेरेंट्स विल कम टू नो अबाउट दिस स्पोर्ट्स कि मैं बॉक्सिंग में जाना चाहती हूँ, तो दे विल नॉट अलाउ हिम बिकॉज दिस स्पोर्ट्स कैन गिव मैरी अ लॉट ऑफ इंजरीज. इससे कई सीरियस इंजरीज भी हो सकती थी मैरी कॉम को. इसीलिए शुरुआत में उन्होंने अपने पेरेंट्स को नहीं बताया. इनिशियली शी हाइड दैट फैक्ट दैट शी इज़ टेकिंग द ट्रेनिंग फॉर बॉक्सिंग. नाउ टेल अस अबाउट हर अचीवमेंट्स. एंड नितिन ने कहा अब उनके अचीवमेंट्स के बारे में बताइए. सो अ बिग लिस्ट इज़ देयर. First of all, she has won ABA, the Women's World Amateur Boxing Championship 5 times, 5 gold medals and 1 silver medal in Asian Women's Boxing Championship between 2003 and 2017. And not only this much, she also had a gold medal at the 2009 Asian Indoor Games in Vietnam and many other titles unsaid. So it was unlimited long list that she has been awarded. हर पेरेंट्स मस्ट बी प्राउड ऑफ हर. रितु ने कहा उनके पेरेंट्स तो बहुत प्राउड फील करते होंगे. येस, शी वॉज द फर्स्ट इंडियन वुमन बॉक्सर टू विन अ गोल्ड मेडल इन द एशियन गेम्स इन 2014 इन इंचॉन साउथ कोरिया, सेड नितिन सडनली. क्योंकि नितिन, एज आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर ऑल्सो, नितिन वॉज मच इंस्पायर्ड बाय दिस बॉक्सिंग चैम्पियन, that is Mary Kom. तो उसे उसकी knowledge थी. So she told that she was the first Indian woman boxer to get the gold medal in Asian Games in 2014 in Incheon, South Korea. Do you know what she said after winning the gold? Aunt Anika said, gold medal जीतने के बाद पता है उन्होंने क्या कहा था? I want to give this medal to my country, Ritu added. रितु ने कहा yes, उन्होंने कहा था ये मेडल मैं अपनी कंट्री को देना चाहती हूँ. Oh, you know so much about her already. Yes, they both said admiringly. Now Ritu added, the legendary boxer proved that she is still unbeatable by winning the gold in the Commonwealth Games in Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia in 2018. Oh wow, so many winnings are there in her list. She was also honored with Arjun Award in 2003. Padma Shri in 2006 and Padma Bhushan in 2018, and last but not the least, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 2009. Oh my god, so many are there in the list. And even she has an autobiography also written by her, and that the name of that autobiography is Unbreakable. Okay, well, now it's time to tell us about PV Sindhu, isn't it? Ritu asked eagerly, and Aunt patted her head. Now, yeah, that girl, Ritu, was very much eager because she was very much interested about listening PV Sindhu. And Sindhu के बारे में जब उन्होंने बताना शुरू किया, let us see what was the things included. Sindhu is a sports icon to many of you today. She has been an uncompromising commitment to the game, an indomitable spirit, and a never ending quest for excellence. She begins her practice at 4 in the morning. आज आने वाले जनरेशन के लिए, आने वाले सभी जो भी स्पोर्ट्स पर्सनालिटीज़ हैं उनके लिए एक बहुत बड़ा इंस्पिरेशन है, बहुत बड़ा आइकन है, एक बहुत बड़ा मॉडल आइडल लेवल का पर्सन है. हु इज़ दैट? यस, PV सिंधु. ही हैज़ अ ग्रेट स्पिरिट इनसाइड हिज नेवर एंडिंग quest means search for knowledge and for excellence. She just is unbeatable, and she starts her practice daily in the morning at 4 o'clock. No wonder she's so good, said Ritu and Nitin together. Even they were getting wondered कि इसमें कोई शक की बात नहीं है that PV Sindhu is really admirable personality. Now about talking about her childhood life. PV Sindhu is from Andhra Pradesh, and talking about the family. Her parents were volleyball players, and उनके father जो थे, he was also being honored with Arjun Award for the excellence in the sports. She started playing badminton at the age of 8 years only. So she was just 8 when she started playing this game, now which is giving her the name fame. She was also inspired by Pulela Gopichand's victory in All England Open Badminton Championship in 2001. एंड सबसे बड़ा उसका लाइफ का ब्रेक थ्रू था वॉज एट द 5th सर्वो ऑल इंडिया रैंकिंग चैम्पियनशिप फॉर द अंडर 10 कैटेगरी, सेड आंट अनिका. जो सबसे पहला ब्रेक थ्रू था, दैट वॉज इट. दैट्स अमेजिंग, सेड रितु सेड. उसे बहुत अमेजिंग लगा. Sindhu was successful at many championships between 2010 and 2018. इतने championships थे that it's really a place is very small to write here about the championship between 2010 and 2018. Aunt Anika also informed the children about the awards like Padma Shri in 2015, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 2016, and talking about the first winning, she is the first Indian to have a history of winning the medals of 2 consecutive years at the World Badminton Championship. 2 लगातार सालों तक उन्हें ये मेडल मिला था. And in 2018, she won India's first ever silver medal in the Asian Games. No other woman had got this medal. The children were quiet as they thought about what they had heard. बिल्कुल शांति हो गई थी. They were just as quiet जैसे पता नहीं उन्होंने क्या सुन लिया हो. Then suddenly what happened? Ritu was just whispering something. धीरे धीरे उन्होंने आंट अनिका से कुछ कहा. Do you think mummy will support me if I want to become a scuba driver? उसके दिमाग में सडनली ये क्वेश्चन आया, क्या मेरी मम्मा मुझे अलाउ करेगी आंट अगर इफ़ आई विल आस्क हर दैट आई वांट टू बिकम अ स्कूबा ड्राइवर? व्हाट वाज द रिप्लाई? व्हाई नॉट, दे विल डेफिनेटली अलाउ यू. Ritu and Nitin knew their parents would encourage them to realize their dreams. Yes, but even the kids, even both the children were knowing कि उनके parents हमेशा उनके dreams को encourage करेंगे और उसे fulfill करने के लिए हमेशा support करेंगे. Always be at the back. So hope you had a very good inspiration from all the 3 great personalities of the sports, the legends of our sports, of Indian sports, and hope you have learned a good lesson from them. Okay children, goodbye, take care, thank you.